In this video, we are going to talk about 10 tips to build wealth at the young age in 2022. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Number 1. Pay it off. Debt is a drag on your life, and the rich know it. Matt Dixon, RFC partner and financial advisor at True North Advisors, says that if you want to be wealthy, you should quit using credit cards so much. It's imperative that you prioritize your debt and begin by paying down your smallest balances first, while still making the minimum payments on all of your other cards. If you must use a credit card, make sure you do it responsibly and on time every month. Number 2. Watch your risk. According to Dixon, wealthy individuals avoid taking on too much risk and are very detail-oriented. Make a point of just pursuing chances that really excite you. Make sure you have a varied portfolio. Try your hand at land or real estate investments. A well-diversified portfolio may protect you from the market's ups and downs. Number 3. Start your own company and sell it later. According to Jared Bauman, co-founder and CEO of 201 Creative LLC, a digital marketing business, if you have an entrepreneurial spirit, you should consider launching a company that you can sell for greater cash. 201 Creative LLC was established in 2000. It is better, he argued, to come up with an original solution to a particular issue in the market and create a company around it in order to be more successful. On the other hand, if you are successful, you stand to gain a great deal. This is a frequent behavior among persons who have a lot of money. Number 4. Participate in a startup and receive stock. There is still an abundance of startups, all of which are always looking for fresh talent. According to Daniel Carter, the CEO manager at Scootle, if you can acquire equity positions in one or more startup companies, you could make a significant monetary gain if the company thrives and either floats or is sold to a larger enterprise. If you can acquire equity positions in one or more startup companies, you could make a significant monetary gain. Despite the fact that only a tiny percentage of them are successful on this scale, he made the point that, on this premise, early workers at Apple, Google, and Microsoft became billionaires. Citation needed. Number 5. Focus on your retirement plan. Putting money away in a retirement account, which is often invested in the stock market and has a higher probability of earning strong returns as a result, is a smart approach to save wealth for use at a later time. According to Francis Lochner, the creator of thecostguys.com, who also contributed to the phrase, make an effort to donate to it if your workplace provides a retirement savings program for workers. Employers will contribute to 401k plans in the same amount as you put to your account, up to a predetermined maximum. If your workplace does not provide you with a retirement plan, you may want to look into opening an individual retirement account, IRA. Number 6. Try affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a kind of marketing in which website owners, social media, influencers, and bloggers promote the products of third parties by linking to such products on their own websites or social media accounts. According to Adam Wood, co-founder of Revenue Geeks, this brings you revenue that, over time, has the potential to pile up. According to Wood, Amazon is the most well-known affiliate partner. However, other major companies include eBay, Awin, and ShareASale. Instagram and TikTok, in particular, have seen a rise in popularity among users who are attempting to cultivate a following and advertise their goods. Affiliate marketing is considered to be a passive kind of marketing since, in theory, all it takes to generate money from it is to add a link to your own website or social media account. Number 7. Increase the amount you save. It will be even more crucial to manage your personal budget in 2022, said Sean Plummer, CEO of the Annuity Expert, given that both inflation and interest rates will be on the increase at that time. Plummer encouraged people to set the goal of increasing the amount that they save in 2022. You may then utilize this to either pay down high-interest debt, contribute to your retirement, or just enjoy the assurance of having extra funds in the bank. All three of these options are available to you. To do this, evaluate areas in which you might cut costs in order to amass a greater amount of savings. Number 8. Invest in REITs. According to Garrett Smith, CEO and creator of Property Tax Loan Pros, a real estate investment trust, REIT, is another investment alternative. A REIT is described as a fancy appellation for a corporation that owns and manages property. Because of its one-of-a-kind legal structure, REITs are exempt from paying any or very little corporate income tax at all, provided that the vast majority of their revenues are distributed to their owners. You would be entitled to receive the dividends that the REIT distributes. The most reputable REITs have a history of raising its payment on a yearly basis, which means that you have the potential to receive consistent dividends over the course of time. Number 9. Accept that money is not always evil. Money is the source of all evil, is a well-known proverb. Wealth may be seen as a bad thing by many, particularly those who have had terrible early encounters with the concept. However, realizing that you have the power to have a positive impact on the world with the money you earn may be a game changer. For a long time, Terry Igioma, who began her career in education and nonprofits, felt that in order to assist people, she needed to work for a religious organization. She didn't understand there were other ways to give back to her community until she became wealthy via trading and began teaching others how to achieve financial stability through trading. Her money is now being used for the benefit of others, allowing them to pursue their dreams of financial independence in the same way she has. Number 10. Understand that a high income is not enough. Another common snare is the idea that earning a lot of money would lead to financial security in the long run. It probably won't happen. Building money requires a disciplined approach to budgeting and, of course, investing. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.